Hey guys, this is Skeeter T for our first vlog. We're about to be doorbell ditching. We'll see you once we get there. Okay, we're at our house. Who's going first? Ready? Let's just do rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Okay.
You're going first. Okay. Do this. Ready? Okay. So we're at our hiding spot. What's going on, Hayden?
Oh, hey. Did it?
Okay. Now we're just waiting. I don't even know if they're home.
Probably not.
Well, didn't answer.
Okay.
Next house.
So I took the camera because Ashton, it's his turn.
Okay.
So we're gonna go. Okay. We just did it. Hey, Ashton.
At our hiding spot. Okay. Hopefully they're home. Because last person was it, so that made it Hayden so that he got a free turn. People. Okay. I don't. They might have answered. Whoops. No battery. Okay. On to the next house. Okay.
Watch out.
I'm. Car. I choose you to do that house. Okay. Go ahead,
Oh, and look.
buddy boy. Just go. It's protected by Xfinity Home.
How about pick another house?
Okay. New house. We're gonna be doing that house. That. Okay.
Long driveway, but okay. Long driveway, but
What?
long
Walkity walk.
walk.
Okay.
You know what?
Your turn. My battery's gonna die soon. Go. Just... But this time we're a little bit closer. Let's see if they answer. Waiting. Oh, seems like none of these houses are here. Oh, well, they're here, but like the people aren't here. So, see you at the next house.
So we're on our next house. It's gonna be that house. So let's see what we get.
Come on, people, let's do the door, please.
All right, bye-bye. Okay, next hiding spot. Big clump of snow.
Snow bits.
We're gonna get it up over. Where is the house anyways?
Seems like no one's answering the damn door.
Probably
Or it's
gone.
not home.
Wait, cemetery. Scary. I hate cemeteries.
Let's do this. So, we're just gonna do the house right after that one. This is right there.
Hey,
And it is his turn.
the blinds are open. I'm scared about this one.
Okay.
Oh,
I don't see nobody. See what happens. Please answer the door. Because you guys, this is going to be a lame doorbell ditching because nobody's answering their door. Bum. We got a good camera angle too for this one. At our hiding spot. Okay. Oh, they're answering. Show them. And they shut the door. Pretty lame again. Oh crap! They're coming! Okay, so we got away from that one. They had their blinds opened. So when they opened the door, they just went back in. And then they saw us. So we were running like you saw in the last clip. And that might be the end of today's vlog number 1. Like, comment, subscribe, ideas, challenges.
And my YouTube channel will be in the description below.
His YouTube channel will be in the description below.
So
make sure to subscribe to him. Make sure to subscribe to me. Like, comment, give us ideas. Make sure to like the video if you like it. And peace out. Go on. Really? Please like and subscribe. Comment if you want to give us ideas. Peace out.